Well, good morning, guys. You know, thank God for another morning. Good while now, I do another poetry. I always talk about social issues and society and this, but I talk about God because I've done many poems about God, and this one is entitled "What God Think of You." People can say all kind of things, but the ultimate things matter is what God think of you. All right, you're not a mistake. You wasn't here by accident. Them say sticks and stones may break your bones, but words may never hurt me. That's a big lie. Because enough of us still not recover yet from the emotional scar. We're hurt by our own friends, our family. But I know what them think of you, our God think of you, that really matter. Yes, everybody have them views, but our God ultimately think of you, what that really matter. You could have done a million good, but one say do one bad, no say you get condemned and bash. But God no stay like man. Because if he did stay like man, no for would have dropped dead long time. I know what them think of you. Our God think of you. Yes, everybody have them views, but our God think of you what really matter. You're looking at the mirror, and you like how you look. Just know say you're fearfully and wonderfully made in the image of God. I know what them think of you. Our God think of you. You see yourself worthless and have no worth. Just know say in a female eyes, you're a woman and man of worth and boy and girl of worth. I know what them think of you. Our God think of you. That make really matter. Yes, everybody have them views, but our God think of you that really matter. You're not a mistake. You're not an accident. They don't know, say, only God alone can write your story.